Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Storm Fist Rune in Gothic 1 Remake. The Storm Fist Rune is a powerful magic rune that becomes usable once you unlock the 4th circle of magic. However, even though you need to progress the story before you can actually use it, you can still obtain the rune as early as Chapter 1. First things first, we need a magic scroll that transforms us into a bloodfly. You can buy this from Torres in the old camp, as you can see here. Next, head to the castle at the mountain fortress, right here as shown on the map. Ignore all the enemies you encounter on the way, except for the harpies near the entrance. Head inside, turn right, and defeat the harpy sitting by the staircase. Now use the transformation scroll and become a bloodfly. Use the staircase to climb to the top of the tower. There are gaps in the staircase, which is why we need the bloodfly transformation to cross them. There are also a few spots where you need to hug the wall and attack, just like this. Once you reach the top of the tower, you'll encounter several more harpies that you'll need to defeat. After clearing them out, unlock this chest right here. I've pinned the lockpick solution in the comment section below. Once you open the chest, you'll acquire the Storm Fist Rune. This rune deals 120 wind damage and has an initial mana cost of 10 when quick cast. And that's how to get the Storm Fist Rune in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.